At Stanley Engineered Fastening, we provide comprehensive solutions across all segments of automotive design and manufacturing. Body shop. Fastening and joining methods to reliably bring the sheet metal together. ICE and EV powertrain. Process monitored fastening and joining. Battery assembly. Components and automated installation for added safety and performance. Trim and chassis assembly. Simplified fastening strategies across interior, electrical, and chassis. Final assembly, bringing the complete vehicle together from the painted body to the exterior trim. Single supplier sourcing from the fastener and equipment to support and service. With a global design and manufacturing footprint, so we're always there when you need us. Whenever, wherever. Stanley Engineered Fastening. Empowering engineers who create our future.